I have got two packets and I'll open in front of you. This is a scissor I have brought, and just now I got these two packets. Let me see what it contains. Packet number 1 I am opening before you. This is from OTP. This is a company, online shopping, vegetables. Early morning at 7 o'clock they come. Yesterday order given in the evening and they have delivered the goods. Let us see the quality of goods. This contains potatoes, onions, chota potatoes. So this is the one packet. Let me keep it here. Now open the second packet. This is the second packet. And what I have got, let me see. Opening the second packet. Cauliflower, gobi. And I'll keep it here. Mooli, radish, and then these things are packed in chota envelopes, paper envelopes. I'll have to cut and see what it is. So this is bangan, another bangan, two bangans in this packet. I'll keep it here. Then I asked for ghee. This is ghee packed. And then another packet. I am cutting again. Just bear with me. You don't have to move out for buying these vegetables. Karela, bitter gourd. Karela has come. And then one more packet. What it contains, let me see. Small packet. I am cutting in front of you so that green chili, hari mirch, and one more packet is there. And what it contains, this is another packet. So chota bangan, small bangan, chuchu bangan. So this was one packet, this was another packet, and I have got two packets delivered today morning. सुबह दिन निकलते ही आपको जो सब्जियां हैं, वेजिटेबल्स हैं, फ्रेश कंडीशंस में घर पे डिलीवर हो जाती हैं. ऐसा मैंने दूसरी बार किया है. आप लोग चाहें तो आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं और इसका फ़ायदा उठाना चाहें उठा सकते हैं. दे आर आस्किंग मी द फीडबैक. आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग दिस वीडियो. इट मे be used by them, it may be used by you, it may be used by your relatives. If you want to join this group, you can order this online. Payment online kiya hai. I don't know, other options are also available. You can study the app, you can study the conditions and order as per your requirement and enjoy the shopping at home. Your groceries, your vegetables, fresh vegetables. Early morning, 7 o'clock, they have delivered. So this is what I wanted to say in this small message. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur, signing off for now. Thank you.